Good morning guys, what's up? Welcome back sa Andrea Judge TV. And ayan guys, today is Sunday. And ayan, first time nating maglalaro ng basketball after nung injury. So, actually fourth game na ng game namin sa KBL. Ang kalaban namin is yung number 1. So pares kaming 3-0 guys, pero lamang sila sa quotient system. So think plus nasa plus 12 ata sila, and then nasa plus 9 kami. So magandang laban to guys, kasi pares kaming walang talo. And excited ako kasi ito yung unang laro ko na since nung na-injured nga ako. So alam nyo naman guys, larong-laro tayo. And yun lang yung parang talagang pastime ko yung passion ko is yung basketball. Alam ko hindi pa halos 100% yung left ankle ko, pero ayun, hindi ko naman isasagad yung sarili ko, or hindi naman ako maglalaro tulad ng kung paano ako maglaro na parsado. Pero gusto ko lang ma-feel yung court. Gusto ko lang, kahit nasa bench lang ako, ayos lang mag-cheer sa kanila, as long as suit up lang ako. And yeah, makapag-contribute kung ano yung kaya kong i-contribute lang guys. Pasok na nga pala ako last week guys. So okay naman. Medyo nagsusolid lang paminsan-minsan, lalo nung Friday kasi super busy kami. And meron kaming dalawang transplant surgery, and then merong dalawang trauma. So parang naparsa nga yung ko doon, yung pa ko. Pero today I feel good guys. Hopefully it continues. Tinate ni Andrea yung ankle ko ng todo. So hopefully maging maganda yung result. Si Andrea yung mga bata na iwan pa sa hotel kasi I think 12 PM pa yung check out. And makakabalik pa ako ng before 12. So yeah, mag-stay na lang sila doon, and para makapag-breakfast and ma-enjoy pa ni Klein yung swimming, o makapag-swimming pa siya in the morning. So ayan, so yeah, sama lang kayo for this day kasi I think mamamasyal kami later. At the same time, bibilan din namin si Tiffany ng bagong phone, kasi guys, yung phone niya I think 6 years old na yon. And talagang di na gumagana yung SIM. And kasi grabe din mag-use ng phone yun guys, kasi doon siya nagdo-drawing, doon ginagawa niya yung mga assignment niya minsan. So napaka-helpful ng phone sa kanya. And di naman niya ni-request na bilan siya ng bagong phone, pero ayan, kami na yung nag-offer sa kanya. Kasi nga, ang iniisip niya is baka hindi ma-transfer yung mga file niya dun sa old phone niya to the new phone. Sa ganda ng technology ngayon, so sabi naman namin, mata-transfer naman lahat yon. So pumayag na din, and makakatulong sa kanya yon in the future, lalo na mag-high school na siya. So ayan guys, sama lang kayo sa vlog na to, and see you later sa court. So ayan guys, nandito na tayo sa Glenview guys. So ito na, umpisa na natin yung game. It's 7:40, 7:45 yung game namin. So papasok na ako sa loob, and tingnan natin kung makapag-update pa ako sa loob. Kung hindi, baka magpakita na ako ng mga highlights. Okay? So yan, sama lang kayo ngayong vlog, and update ko kayo later. Good luck sa akin guys, bye. Ayan guys, ang ganda ng mga laro. Wow, dito dami tao ngayon. Let's go. Tingnan natin kung mananalo tayo.
Yeah. Team at 17. Damn. Hey, check this out though.
gave you 10 a week ago. You told me that you got me when your check came home. I've been waiting patiently cause you my homie, bro. But times is getting hard, so I'ma need to see that cheddar though. You ain't been picking up, you finding escapes. I might have to white you out just like you Colgate. You been ducking at the crib thinking that you safe, but little do you know I'm posted right up in your driveway. I'ma beat you up, I'ma tear you down. I'ma turn your little smile into a big ol' frown. Cause evidently you don't wanna send a message now. And you holding to my money like you Oscar proud. I'ma find you, and I'ma get you. I'ma stick into your head just like I'm Cantu. It's a couple things in life I'll make amends to, but owing me some money, hell no, this a no can do. 17. Yeah. Point, I'ma have to just cave your face in. Damn, you think I forgot about all them payments? Boy, I'm on your ass with my mask on just like I'm Jason. I know that you bounded to get complacent. Pop out the smoker, ask Tay-Tay about how her day went. Just know I've been plotting and I've been waiting. Might hit you with the orange Bronco just like I'm Peyton. You need to get my money, come on. This ain't no sweet life, I'ma need to get my bread and no song. You want IG and your Da Vinci and your shirts be long. But in real life, you broke it in a Paul George fibula bone. I know you gon' pay me when the time's right, but the time is now, I'm finna knock out your lights. Got you thinking shoulda never tweaked on me twice, and have you curving up that hill just like a turnpike. Give me that, give me that money. Give me that, give me that money. Give me that money. Give me that, give me that money. Give me that, give me that money. Damn, give me that.
So yan guys, natapos na yung game. Ganda ng laban guys. I think lamang lang ata ng 4. Kung di ako nagkakamali, 4 yung lamang. So nag-come up ng mga crucial plays sa dulo. I think last 2 minutes ata lumamang pa kami ng 4. And nakabawi sila, nagkaroon sila ng crucial 3. And then yun na, nagkaroon lang ng parang ano bang tawag nito? Breaks of the game. Yan kung tinatawag na nangyari sa amin. And overall story talaga yung rebounding. Ang lakas ng rebounding nila. Offensive rebound, natalo kami sa offensive rebound kasi nagbi-mintes din naman sila. At the same time, yung mintes nila nakukuha din nila. So I don't know if ganun talaga, may mga araw na ganun kasi nakapag box out naman kami, yung bounce ng bola talagang lumalagpas lang sa amin. Pero that's it. Talo talaga kami. At least we give them a good fight as number 1 din. Ngayon 3-1 na kami, sila 4-0. Pero ayan, muntikan pa namin sila matalo. Ayun, so sa akin naman nung una nanibago ako guys, masakit pa rin. Ngayon medyo namamaga ulit ng konti, medyo sumasakit. Pero ang ganda ng pagkakasupport ni Andrea, pagkakalagay ni Andrea ng tape. Kaya medyo nakatulong. Pero yung takbo ko, saka yung pag tumatalon ako, yung landing, medyo hindi ko maland dito sa left side. So ang nilaland ko is lagi yung right side. And medyo ano bang tawag nito? Medyo nakakapanibago, kaya yung right ko nangalay ba, parang sumakit din yung right foot ko, or yung kasi nandito lahat yung pressure, nandito lahat yung bigat. So ayun, saka tumaba talaga ako guys. Feeling ko ang bagal ko sa court, pero bumabawi naman ako sa depensa. So technically itong first game back ko, para sa akin medyo okay na. I got a couple of rebounds, screens para sa sa kakampi ko, at kahit papaano nakapag ako contribute sa kanila sa depensa din yan. So ayun, ganun talaga. Bawi kami next time, 3-1 kami. I think second place pa rin kami, pero yun, babawi kami next game. And next game malakas din yung kalaban namin kasi puro bata. Pabalik na ako ngayon sa sa hotel. I think nagsiswimming sila ngayon. Nag-text sa akin si Andrea, and update ko na lang kayo later. So ayan guys, nakabalik na tayo sa hotel. Ayan, so at 10:25 pa lang ata. Ang checkout is 12 PM, and sabi ni Andrea tapos na daw sila mag-swimming. So ayan, babalik na ako sa room muna, mag-rest ng konti, pahinga ko ng konti, saka ice yung foot ko, yung right ankle ko. Yung left ankle ko, and then i-raise ko lang ng konti para mamaya ready na. So, tingnan natin kung saan kami papasyal. And, yun nga, nasabi ko nga, nabibili ng phone si Tiffany. And, ayan, update na lang later. See ya! What's up, guys? Ayan! Pauwi na tayo. So, yan, nag-check out na kami. Claire,
Huh?
how's the vacation?
It was amazing, spectacular.
Oh,
Good.
good! Did you have fun, ate? Yan. So, si Klein, ang super nag-fun. Kung nakita nyo naman sa first vlog namin, guys. So, the whole 3 days, ganun siya. Sobrang saya. Ayan. And si Andrea, nag-enjoy ka ba?
Opo.
Yan. ang only downside lang nung ano namin, vacation namin today, this weekend, is parehas kaming talo. So, first loss namin sa KBL, 3-1 na kami. And then, natalo din kagabi si Andrea sa billiard tournament niya. Hindi nakapasok sa playoffs. So, yan. Yun lang yung downside namin. Pero,
Isang win lang ako guys kagabi. Pero it's a lot of learning experience.
yeah. Sabi nga ni Coach Chot Reyes, it's a learning experience. So, ayun. So, ngayon, papunta na kami sa Best Buy to get Tiffany a new phone. Ate, what's the new phone?
The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6.
Wow. So, give me 3 things that you like about that phone.
I could decorate it. It has 50 megapixels, and yeah, it's cool.
And then the
Um,
third one.
For like videos, it's like 8K or something.
Oh, wow. How about the durability?
It can withstand a hammer, from what I heard.
Wow. Are you excited?
Yep.
Ayun. So, tulad ng sinabi ko kanina, halos 5 years na ata yung phone niya. And she needed an update kasi marami na ngang sira na lumalabas sa phone niya. And she really needs, especially mag-high school na siya. Yeah, most of the work niya sa drawing, assignment is sa phone niya ginagawa o sa phone niya nakakatulong. And we always want to call her, text her, or magte-text siya tuwing umaalis siya sa school. Pag nakasakay na siya ng bus, pagkalabas niya ng bus, and so, yun.
Kaya tsaka guys, na naman siya.
Oh,
He
accelerated na
did
naman.
very good sa
So,
school,
meron
kaya-
siyang, ano yan, be? Ano yan? Honors Geometry and Honors Biology.
Yeah.
So, next year, yung math niya na geometry is for 3rd year high school na yun, be, di ba? First year pa lang siya, pero yung math niya advanced na ng 2 years. So, pang 3rd year student na yon. And yung Honors Biology,
That's
2nd
second year.
year, pero take niya yun nung 1st year.
Yeah.
So, napakagaling ng ate namin. High honor rolls parate and straight A's. Good job, ate.
Thank you.
We love you.
Love you too.
And si Klein din, good job. Right? He knows a lot of sharks. Right, Klein? He counts 1 to 10, A, B, C. Sings a lot. Yay! Alright. So, update na lang namin kayo guys pagdating namin sa Best Buy. Let's go! So ayan guys, nandito na kami sa Best Buy. And titingin na ng phone si Tiffany. Ayan, tingnan natin kung available dito, no. So ayan, yung available consoles dito. So, ayan. Saan dito? Is this the one? Flip 6? So this is the phone that Claire's wanted. Oh, touch it. Wow, what color be? What color do you want? Blue? How about the selfie one? Wow. How is it? So ayan guys, check lang namin and then let's see kung available siya dito. Update na lang later. Love you, ate.
Love you.
Okay, guys, pumunta kami ngayon dito sa AT&T dahil dun sa kabila mga unlock phone lang yung available nila. And we just want to upgrade kasi yung AT&T ni Claire. So yan, kaya pumunta kami mismo sa AT&T. So tingnan natin yung availability na itong Z Fold. At di na nagigenya-fied na siya. Genya-fi. Na-excite na siya sa new phone niya. Love you, ate.
Love you.
Yan o. Ayan o, pakita mo. Yan. Pwede ka mag-selfie dito. Pakita mo yung selfie. Paano ba, be? Yan. You can like click it. Ayan o, tulad yan o. Tapos pwede ka na mag-selfie ganyan, di ba? Tapos anong pipindutin mo dito? Ito?
Yeah.
Maybe, try it.
Yan. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Yan. So, delete mo yan. Ayan. Linaw nung phone niya.
Wow. Look at that.
Ayan. Wow. Ayan. So, update na lang later, guys. Tingnan natin. Let's go. You like it? Merry Christmas.
Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah, here you go. Yep. You like
so
it?
long since I've had it.
Huh?
It's been a
Yeah,
long time.
yeah, hold on.
I've seen like everybody.
So this is Claire's new phone. Let's go. Wow. Alright. You're so happy?